Hi everyone! Today we're actually going to be doing a Target finds video, which I'll be talking about all of the different things I tend to look for in Target in terms of decorations and things to spice up my events. Now, the dollar section at Target is definitely a must. You can find a lot of great things here, like this little tutu skirt is super cute for a little fairy party or princess party. These paint palettes are actually really nice as well too if you're doing a color theme. And these dinosaurs here can actually be spray painted any color to match your decor. Next is lighting. Now, Target has a really good lighting section. They carry different types of string lights, anything from like very bohemian to just your traditional standard string lights. So I highly recommend checking them out, especially if you're looking for a particular theme. The other thing that they also have typically near the lighting section are lanterns. Now, lanterns are a great way to spice up a table. I would definitely use a couple of these, especially in a bohemian theme. I just think that they're so cute. Another section that a lot of people don't really gravitate towards is the plastic dinerware sets. Here actually they have a couple of really good options that aren't necessarily ceramic, so they're lightweight, they're easy to clean, and they're usually very reasonably priced as well too. Another really good area is the wood section that's typically in their kitchen area. Here you can find tons and tons and tons of serving dishes, charger plates, anything that you can think of. And they also have these wood slabs here, which I think are pretty decently priced for how thick they are and big. And sometimes their seasonal decor is actually really cute as well. Like this one, I believe, is for Easter. Now, you definitely don't want to miss out on the faux flowers that Target has to offer. They actually have some really nice flower sets and vases as well too. These right here are from the Joanna Gaines line. As you can see, they pair up very nicely in different sizes. If you're going for a more modern, traditional look, or just really trying to add a bit of color or greenery into your space, then definitely check out the home decor section. A lot of the times, especially depending on your theme, you might be able to find a couple of pieces of decor within this section. Now, my crafting section at Target was definitely on the more bare side. I honestly think just people are getting their DIY on because it was pretty sparse in comparison to others. Definitely check out the crafting section because you'll be able to find things for signage. They even have a section where you can do your own invitations or thank you cards, so that definitely is a very good alternative. And probably the most important section, which is where you have all of the party decorations. So there's typically a section within that aisle that has more of wedding type vibe decorations. So definitely check those out if you're looking for something a little bit more classy and less kid-like. They have a ton of different things there, and they have some key staples, but they do bring in new fresh items every so often. On top, you could see that they have some trays, and of course they have the carafes as well too, which are great for a mimosa bar, and this beverage dispenser is very affordable as well too, and it's really good. They also have really cute kid stuff for a kid event, and even if it's not up your alley, you can definitely take some inspiration from it. It just inspires me to create a specific theme. They also have a couple of different items when it comes to bridal showers and weddings. They have cute things that you can use as props, and they have really cute plates as well too. Like these two plates I just thought were so cute and so different. And towards the bottom, they actually have some runners, so definitely check out the runners. They even have burlap ones, which I know are very in for that farmhouse style. And they typically have little things like these chalkboard signs that you can use for your food area. And I would say the biggest thing right now are these balloon garland kits. So now you know, Target definitely has some great options for you to check out, and it definitely, is a good bang for your buck, especially the dollar spot section. I have found a ton of different things from bud vases to mirrors to even some signage. So definitely check that out. I know that they changed the dollar section up a lot, but just try to be consistent with it and keep an eye out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next week. Bye!